James.
Hey Moose, how you doing?
Great. Ben voilà, en route pour la séance de jambes. Un petit peu en retard, hein, encore. Il est 1h30, j'ai rendez-vous à 2h. Mais avant tout, je voudrais faire un grand merci à mon ami James, qui est mon caméraman aujourd'hui. Et franchement, j'ai pas l'habitude à ça et c'est un stress énorme pour moi. Déjà rien que pour filmer un petit peu tous les jours. J'ai pas l'habitude à ça. Hein. Moi, quand je vais à la salle, quand je m'entraîne, il n'y a rien dans ma poche. Hein. J'ai pas de téléphone. Et comme je suis quelqu'un de perfectionniste, non seulement quand je m'entraîne, j'essaie de donner le maximum, et en même temps j'ai un œil sur le caméraman, donc je sais si la personne n'est pas bien située, l'angle n'est pas bon, ça a tendance à m'énerver. Donc à l'époque déjà, quand je filmais des choses avant Instagram et Facebook et tout ça, quand je partais à Los Angeles au Gold Gym pour m'entraîner, c'était ma pauvre femme qui filmait et je peux vous dire que je lui faisais la misère. Bon, en même temps, bah, c'est ça d'être perfectionniste, on a envie vraiment de tout diriger d'une main de maître, de donner le meilleur à l'entraînement et en même temps savoir que la caméra est bien placée aux bons angles pour sortir quelque chose de bien de l'entraînement, du corps humain. Vous savez, il y a des positions qui mettent le corps en valeur, d'autres positions, on a l'impression qu'on ressemble à rien. Donc voilà, un grand merci à lui. Normalement, vous allez avoir quelque chose de très qualitatif, car on filme aujourd'hui avec une caméra et pas avec un téléphone. Et voilà, donc j'ai hâte, je suis préparé. On va filmer toute la séance, la salle, pour vous montrer le matériel qu'il a, l'équipement. Et j'espère pouvoir donner un maximum. Il y a beaucoup de gens qui ne savent pas que malgré ces 5 ans que je n'ai pas remonté sur scène et avec les blessures, les problèmes de l'arthrose, je n'ai jamais arrêté de m'entraîner. Donc je faisais des bricolages, mais je m'entraînais. Parce que j'ai vu sur certains commentaires, il y a des gens, bon déjà c'est gentil, ils m'ont comparé pourquoi je fais un comeback, regardez le comeback de Kevin Levrone ou Flex Wheeler. Je ne suis pas ces gens-là, oh là là, je suis loin de ces gens-là. Ce comeback, je le fais, c'est pour moi, je n'ai rien à prouver. Et en même temps, c'est un message aux gens qu'avec la volonté, on peut tout faire. On peut tout faire, tout surmonter. Et je suis connu pour ça, par rapport à ma volonté, car j'ai eu énormément d'obstacles durant toute ma vie devant moi, et j'ai toujours, grâce à Dieu, réussi à les surmonter. Et là, c'est pour donner aussi de l'espoir aux gens. On peut avoir de l'arthrose, on peut avoir des problèmes articulaires, et continuer à s'entraîner intelligemment. C'est pour ça que je n'ai jamais lâché, quoi. Effectivement, je ne peux pas faire de squat ou des mouvements que je faisais avant pour les jambes, mais je continue à m'entraîner, je continue à faire circuler le sang dans mes jambes. Donc voilà, je n'ai jamais perdre espoir, jamais. Quand on veut quelque chose, on y arrive toujours. Et comme je l'ai décidé, j'ai dit que voilà, que personne, ni la maladie, ni qui que ce soit, ne m'arrêtera de faire ce que j'ai envie de faire. Donc je ne suis pas ces gens-là. Et en même temps, voilà, Flex Wheeler et Kevin, ils l'ont fait, c'est par rapport à la marketing, c'est par rapport à leur compagnie de suppléments. Vous savez, aujourd'hui, se mettre sur le marché, poster des entraînements, ceci, cela, c'est comme ça que la nouvelle génération entend parler d'eux. Ça amène énormément de curiosité. Et c'est pour ça, je pense qu'ils l'ont fait. Hein. Kevin Levrone, depuis qu'il l'a annoncé, depuis qu'il a fait ces 2 comebacks, il n'a pas arrêté de voyager le monde, de présenter Kevin Levrone et série. Voilà. Alors que moi, honnêtement, je n'ai pas besoin de me montrer sans arrêt sur Instagram ou sur Facebook. Ce n'est pas ça qui me donne à manger. Je n'ai pas besoin de likes, je n'ai pas besoin... Non, c'est juste par rapport à l'amour du sport, aux gens qui sont très proches à moi, qui n'ont pas arrêté de me demander, on aimerait bien te voir revenir et suivre cette documentaire que je suis en train de faire et partager avec vous, quoi. Il n'y a rien d'autre derrière, donc c'est pour ça que vous n'allez pas voir... je vais filmer des choses qui sont essentielles dans ce sport, mais pas je suis en train de manger mon steak ou je suis en train de prendre ma douche. Ça, ce n'est pas moi. Il y a des choses qui doivent rester dans le domaine du privé. Voilà. Donc si vous avez des questions à poser, des questions intelligentes bien sûr, n'hésitez pas. c'est toujours le bienvenu. C'est comme ça qu'on avance aussi et on construit des choses intéressantes et positives. Et encore un grand merci à mon ami Eric Rallo, parce que sans lui, effectivement, je n'aurais pas fait ça. Il m'aide énormément, sachant que ce n'est pas facile pour lui. Et il fait quelque chose d'extraordinaire. J'ai adoré les 2 premières vidéos qu'il a postées. Ça, c'est vraiment bien. Donc Eric, chapeau l'artiste. Et voilà.
Becomes more through the hip. Yes. There you go. Is that hurting?
No.
Good. I'm going to try one more angle so I know for the future. Keep going. Good. Face me. Imagine like a train track. The track never goes in. Just like that.
Okay.
Good. Just a forward step. Is that hurting?
No.
Good. Relax your traps. Pull it in. And walk it backwards.
Backwards?
Yep. Changing the range of motion and then
But it makes my group fire.
put the band on the ankle. Good. Now face the front. Do the same thing. And I want to see which one is your best one, okay? They all work.
Yeah.
Which one hurts the less around the knees?
Nothing in my knee.
So, but you still feel the warm up.
Oh, my God, it's a more fire.
And face me, quick walk forward. And back, good. Let's get blood into the glutes just to say good morning, good afternoon. Okay, now hold right here. All I want to do is, 1, open the hip, stay this way, come back up. Good. Up. Open. Good. Back down. Good. And again, open the hip. Keep this side forward. There you go. Get your mind right. Good. Yes. The hips open up. Internal. Let it swing. Let it right here. Same thing. Yeah. Just let that socket just relax and swing more in. I want more in activation than out. So not too high here, but more in this way.
Okay.
Yes. Because we don't do that as very often. There you go.
Yeah, but nobody go more
yeah,
out.
exactly. We do a lot of out, but we don't do that hip internal as much. Let it just open up, get fluid in there. Switch. Get your mind right.
Ça a l'air de rien du tout, mais j'ai les fessiers en feu. C'est un mec qui est spécialiste beaucoup chez les bikinis. Et les arts martiaux, bien sûr. Et c'est bien de faire autre chose. C'est pour ça que je suis ici. Et j'espère qu'il va surtout pouvoir trouver des angles qui laissent mon genou tranquille.
Imagine there's a string on your hips. So no, put the foot down, yep. And the other one there, so one down, touch. 1 foot back. Good. Pull it down and then come up and stretch the front. Yes! Yes. Imagine the hip is, there's 2 strings. Let me pull you up and pull you back down. You should only feel it on the left, do you?
Yeah.
Good. Is that hurting the knee?
No.
Good. Get some activation in there. Good. Very nice. And switch. So, we said hello to this. We said hello to this. We said hello to this. We didn't do nothing here yet.
Yeah.
So let's try my leg extension.
Okay.
Just to see.
Yeah, absolutely.
The hip flexors are relaxed.
Absolutely.
Yep.
That's why I tell people, more your chest is back, more you stretch the whole leg.
Exactly, because then it's like, yeah, stretched.
Leg extension was one of my favorite movements.
Good. Now, take the legs out, straight, like just like take it on. Sit there, sit there. Good. Sit back, push both up. Good, extend them up. Good. Slow, just relax. Good. Again. Good. I want the little guys to wake up too, okay? The little stabilizers. Good. Is that hurting?
No. I feel everything in my T-drop.
Good. Yeah?
Yeah.
Good. Back up. Good. Whenever I push, push again. So if I go this way, push out, push in. There you go. I want everything to turn on. And back down. One more time, same thing. Push out. Push in. Back negative. And breaking. I'll do the whole thing one more time. So one more leg extension. One more of that. So on. Perfect. Good. Back is straight. Everything is tight. Focus. Breathe. Get your mind into this. You said 2 weeks ago the things you wanted to do. Now it's time to do it. And you're going to put it all together. It's not about how hard you can go, how smart you're going to move and make the best out of it. This is your time, nobody else's time. There you go. Good. Focus, breathe, controlled. Good. Your time, nobody else's time. One more time. Everything is activated. It's reaction I'm looking for, your instincts. Good, break. Very nice. Okay. So.
Voilà pourquoi je l'aime bien, il sait parler aux gens, il sait motiver, il utilise les bons mots.
When athletes have injuries on their ACL and they gotta train explosively, right, for jumping and all that stuff, this is great because we're not going vertical, we're going horizontal, and it's a band tension. So we get it. We start like this,
okay,
and then we're gonna see what it does, okay?
Yeah,
we start, yeah, exactly. We start first with the press, and then we're gonna start with the jumps. And this is gonna be a timed exercise. Good, just do a couple presses. Is that hurting?
No.
Just keep doing a couple more presses. Good. Perfect. You're flexing through the dorsal. Yes. You've got flexing that ankle, which is important. Now slowly see if you can hop a little bit. Good. Good. Breathe. Good. Now leave the platform a little bit.
What is it?
Little jump, little hop. Good. Good. Catch smoother. 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 There you go. Light. It's fragile. Think it's fragile. Keep going.
It's like eggs.
Yep, exactly. Fragile. Is it hurting the knee?
No.
Good. It's fragile. More fragile even. Good. There you go. More fragile. Be more controlled with it. Use little power. Good. Catch. Catch. You got 9 more seconds. Controlled. Just a minute drill. Breathe. Breathe. Focus. Stop. Did that hurt?
No.
You sure?
No. Yeah.
Good. Let's lay in that one. Nice and close and drive. Is that hurting? Good. Yes?
No.
Good. You sure?
Just a little bit here.
Good. Now put your feet a little bit higher. There you go. Which is going to be more hip dominant, of course.
No matter what, when I get close to the 90 degrees, I'm going to feel the pain here. Yeah. Because it's just arthritis. It's no joint, no cushion.
Good. And come back up. Come back up. There you go. Right there, it's on. I'm good with it. On, come back.
And I try to engage my quads.
I can see it. Exactly. One more. And come down. Good. So, what did you feel here? What did you feel here? Not as much. Did you feel the quads?
Because I put it in my mind.
Okay.
I feel it, yeah. Here more.
Here you feel the quads?
Yes.
It's real weight versus bend. This is more of the therapy.
Yeah, we did some
exercise. Yeah, exactly. So, but here you felt more, here you didn't. because it's banned again. Or
But at the same time, like I told you, the more we're going, the more I feel more warmth and more the pain is going to be less.
less. Got it. Okay. Okay. Good. Break. Relax. And go. Good. There you go. Be involved. Shit, they're on. They're on the whole time. Breathe. Whenever you want, you can take it back to squat, back to jump. You can go back and forth. Good. There you go. That's the quiet thing I'm looking for. Good. Be athletic with it. Let them fire and catch. Good. It's like that shot that catches the weight. Breathe. Breathe. Good. How's the pain?
Good. No pain.
Good. Focus. Good. Power. I like it. That's definitely going to get the quads more now with that height, for sure. Good. Yeah, about 20 seconds you can do either the squat or the jump. Don't forget to breathe. There you go. Engage. Breathe. Focus. Stay with it. Good. Stay with it. Here we go. 10 seconds left. Good. Get your mind right. Your time, right in the spot. Stop. Focus. I changed the angle now. I made it a little longer.
Okay.
So it's impossible for you to go. This is the lowest you can almost go. Good. Go back. Good. Find your foot placement. There you go. Correct. Good. Good. Getting in your car, making the decision to do this. We're not going to waste it. Good. Waking up and making a choice that you're going to get better today in your mind, in your body. Focus, control. Be one with it. Be one with it. Good. One more. And come on down. Good. More in. There goes. Hands on the side. Okay. Now push your legs straight out. Both of them.
Just one.
Both of them. Straighten your body out. Right here. Is that hurting your knee?
No.
Good. I know you're not comfortable, but welcome
Yeah.
to be there now. Pull one forward and drive. Did that hurt?
No.
Do the other side. Good. Yeah, you don't even need to hold on if you don't need to. You're just good. Is that hurting?
Now try to focus to not feel my knee.
Good. Want me to take the 25 off and see how that feels?
No, it's okay for now.
Good. Drive. Don't even come that far. That's pretty far. I don't even need that far. Right there is good. There you go. Right there is good. Right there is good. Where do you feel it?
Lift with the knee.
Good. Now do me a favor. Come out. Come out with your upper body. Yep, there you go. Now legs down first. Good. Now, put this foot down. Good. Now you're going to do just one side. Okay?
Okay.
Good. Same thing.
Same.
Same thing. One side. Put this foot more backward so you can rest it. There you go. See if you feel more comfortable on one side. And drive. Talk to me.
Much comfortable.
Good. What about the knee?
It's okay.
Good. And back. Good. You're coming very far. That's good right there. Good. How's the knee?
Good.
Good. Good. Probably one more, core tight. And come on up. Good. Good. So, this is what I'm gonna do. You're gonna hang in there. I'm gonna take the 25s off.
Okay.
Try it with 50 pounds each side. See if, of course, I want you to see, can you feel the quad activating without the knee going crazy with the weight left?
I don't. Yeah. I didn't feel really the quad engaged.
That's what I'm saying. So I want to
Yeah.
try the less weight because maybe you were focusing too much on the stabilizers.
Yes.
And then I know for a fact if it is or if it's not.
Okay.
All right.
Ah, c'est des machines sur lesquelles je n'ai jamais travaillé. Donc ça c'est pour les entraînements de football sur le starting block. C'est pour ça que c'est bien en plus. C'est bien, ça permet de choquer et surprendre le muscle différemment. Go.
Wanna be ready. Good.
I can talk to my client. You can talk to me, you can go.
I've heard that more than once.
Yeah. Good. Good. Focus. Good, like a machine. Good, you bring in the piston forward and back. You in charge of every pattern. From the concentric to the eccentric, and even if I say isometric neon. Is that hurting?
No.
Any engagement?
Not really, no.
Good, switch. Good. The other two you felt more quad, right? The other two.
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
good, good.
This one, it's fun. It's almost like when you push, it looks like the glute one. You
Correct,
need
but
to
it's
squeeze
not.
your glute,
Yeah, it's not.
But I have hard time to engage with
Yeah, because the movement is like,
Yeah.
you thinking it's a kickback, right?
Yes, yes.
Good.
Donc pour l'instant, on est juste en train de tester différentes machines par rapport à ma douleur au genou. C'est pour ça qu'elle n'arrête pas de poser des questions. Si je sens le quad, si je sens plus le genou, je lui donne le feedback. Et je pense au fur et à mesure, il va trouver ce qui marche.
And then we're gonna try this. So we can change the planes of motion. And I just want to see what it does to your knee.
I'm not sure, but we'll try.
So
this one,
yep,
on.
higher
Higher.
to the front, more to me.
Here.
Yep.
Okay.
And then
This
just
one here.
think about a lunge. Look, you push it back, you push, yep, there you go. Control it. Do it again. Good. Yep, you're doing
See,
a
this one
lunge.
is easy for me to engage it.
Which
And
one?
I push this one.
It's
Now
good.
this exercise, yeah.
Yeah, but you're not doing a lunge where the knees
No,
are fucking getting
no.
like this, you know? Good, control. Good, you're still doing a lunge,
Oh,
you're
yeah.
still controlling it, your hands help a little bit. But if I can do this for a lunge, is it hurting the knee?
No.
Good, perfect. Good, oh yeah, oh yeah. Good, it doesn't. Excellent.
Good.
Good, controlled. Good. Give more to the hands on this side, you know what I mean? Give more to your hands on this side. There you go. You're still flexing it. And if you can do left and right on this, that's a good thing. Because we gotta get a unilateral then somehow. Good. You okay? Don't go below for you. There you go. That's perfect. You're not below. Good. Good.
That's it.
That's it. Turn it straight.
This way.
No, yeah, my way.
Here.
Yep, there you go. Good. Again. Good. Good. More from the side now, right? Changing the plane of motion. Is that hurting? Let your hand help.
I need to focus where? Here or here?
Oh.
Okay, but like I feel this one was working more.
Correct. The
Yes,
standing leg.
yes,
Because
yes.
you're stabilizing
Yes,
that load.
absolutely. It's working, but I feel all my body weight is staying this way.
Correct. This is, yeah, this
Yes.
is pushing it away, but this transfers.
Yes.
There, look at that. Is it hurting?
No.
Good. Good. Stay on that heel. Good. There you go. We can change planes of motion like this. I'm very happy. Good, because that's how we're gonna build strong legs through all dimensions. One more. Slowly stop. Turn around. Hold however you want to. You can have both hands here. You can have one here. I don't give a shit. Good. That hurting.
No.
It's on. It's not as on as the other
yes,
one.
Yes.
Yep. But that's why, because it's trying to protect you from. Good. Good. There you go. Yes. When you catch the weight, it turns on.
Yeah.
When you catch this, see how it activates? So we can use it for that exercise right there where you learn it. Good. Two more. Focus. Good. Very nice. French.
Franchement, une machine extraordinaire qui copie exactement les fentes, mais sans le stress qui va sur le genou. Parce que là, en fait, au lieu que je vais vers l'avant, je vais en arrière. Et moi, j'essaie vraiment d'engager un maximum mon quadriceps, le contracter à fond. Je ne fais pas que pousser la charge ou le poids. Sur le côté, nous les culturistes, on n'a pas l'habitude de travailler sur les côtés. On fait pas ça. Mais c'est très intéressant. On pousse. Et la cuisse qui travaille le plus, c'est celle qui reste sur la plateforme. Parce que c'est elle qui a engagé tout le poids du corps. il bascule sur celle-là. Donc franchement, pour l'instant, ouais, là on essaie, voilà, comme j'ai dit tout à l'heure, on essaie de trouver des machines qui font le travail. Celle-là pour l'instant a l'air de faire le job. Donc on va essayer encore une autre série.
It's hard to get hurt because it's not foreign. So you connect it yourself to this and then you push it away, make it one with it. That way you understand it for the best possible way. Good. Focus. You okay? Yeah. Good. Perfect. Doing a single-legged exercise, pushing away, and keeping the knees out. Perfect job.
Yeah, try really to focus.
Yes,
really
you gotta focus
the
on it,
piston
yeah.
and the first movement. And become the machine, I had that before. Like become water, my
Yes.
friend.
Water.
Bruce
Yep. Want to get grab or you
No.
go. Just be one with it.
Absolutely.
Good. Drive. There you go. Perfect. Not too much.
Perfect.
Good. Drive. E1 and control. Good. Everything is engaged through there. Good. Focus. Breathe. Good drive. Stay one.
Il faut faire ce qu'il faut faire, pas d'excuses. Se donner les moyens. J'ai dit que j'allais revenir, je ferai tout ce qui est dans mon possible pour revenir.
Pull. Right here you stop. Push. The cool thing about this is it's going to give you weight throughout the whole range of motion. So you stop here and you push through and you flex. You stop. When you're done, come up. So, sit down real quick. I'm going to adjust you. This is the king of the presses. But that's actually not that. Now wait a second, this is too light. I'm gonna drop a handle on there. Okay, core engaged. Your hands are on the side, yep, good. Now, after you're done pressing, you're gonna pull that handle, okay? So press first. Good, pull that handle. Okay, now you're in it. Let's see how far you wanna come. Good push. Is that hurting?
No.
Good, you sure? Good.
It's just funny because those kind of press, more you push, more you start feeling the lower back.
You feel it on this too?
A little bit. But it's okay.
Good, because you have that. You in the right spot? Yeah?
Yeah.
You're in the right spot. Good. Talk to me.
A little bit in this
Good. Good, lock it, push it up.
Lock
Push it up, and then lock it in. Come down, I'm gonna change the angle, okay?
Much better because I feel more comfortable.
Okay. How about here? Is okay here
Yes.
now? What about now here?
Still a little bit because if it starts, the pain
Okay.
is going to go away. That is good.
Like this angle better than the other one? One more. Lock it in. Good.
This one, celui-là, ça a été la première position, ça me faisait mal. Au bas du dos, je sentais une grande pression, mais le genou droit a commencé à picoter un petit peu. Donc on va essayer une autre.
I don't think so, but I could be wrong.
Yeah, but no. You're right, so you're doing the right job.
See, my weight is on the heel. I bent my shins forward to get the flexion, and then I'm just right here. I don't need to go more.
Yeah, just
You
watch
got it?
it.
Yep, just watch it. Good. Come back up. Come back up, talk to me.
Good one.
Really?
Yeah.
No pain.
No.
It's fucking
No pain.
on, dude.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
on. Good. Drive. Good. Drive. You can hold right here. Good. Good. This should burn you out.
Yeah.
Good. Couple more. Couple more. 2 more. 1 more. Lock it in.
Perfect.
Better?
No pain, nothing. Yeah, better.
Really?
That's the
Nice.
best of the 3. Yes.
Nice.
Yeah.
Good.
And if you make quad, right there.
Right in
yeah,
that
yeah.
angle.
Oh,
Right.
yeah.
Good. 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 That's why it's adjustable
Yeah.
to find that.
Oh, yeah,
good.
perfect.
Good. Focus. Good. Good.
And I can really engage the
So
quad.
this-
I feel my hamstring. There's just no.
It is hamstring glutes too, but it does work the quads too. It's more hip dominant.
Yeah.
But it definitely gets the quads at the end. A couple more. Perfect. Good. 1 more. Lock it in. I'm gonna write this down. Push it. There you go.
Yeah.
Good. Say you change the angle.
Yeah. Perfect.
I'm gonna write.
Voilà, on vient de trouver l'angle. Le 3e angle était le meilleur. Pas de pression sur les genoux. Le bas du dos nickel. Donc je pense que celle-là, on va la marquer. Comme ça, elle sera dans la routine. Donc je suis plutôt content. Bon, en même temps, je pense que l'excitation de vouloir travailler, de vouloir donner le maximum, de travailler avec quelqu'un, de l'écouter, ça change le tout. D'habitude, c'est moi toujours la locomotive des autres. Pour l'instant, je m'abandonne. Je lui laisse le casse-tête à lui.
Find that angle again. These two go well together because you're changing the angles of it. There you go. Good. There you go. And come back up. There you go. Get right in that front. Good. There you
And I
go.
like this one because you can add more stress if you stop there.
Correct.
Keep
Look
squeezing
at
the
that.
quad.
And then come up.
No momentum,
You know,
nothing.
you do it with your
Yeah.
own body weight. Yes. Good. That isometric hold right there. Look at that. Shit. Good. Feel that?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Good. Focus. Very nice. And this one is working. Breathe. Couple more. Good. Last one right here. Oh, beautiful. Oh man, look at it. Yeah, look at that depth at that end. That was
That's the years of, jib squat, deep leg press, and
Man.
everything.
Like
It's
that.
hard for me now, just stop at
But you have the contraction and you
Yes,
come up.
yeah.
The contraction ain't going nowhere.
The injuries push you to learn this mark too. To activate the muscle.
You only do things for either pain or pleasure.
Absolutely.
That's why you
Yeah.
change things. If you have
Absolutely.
pain, you make a difference.
Yes.
If you have pleasure, you make a difference. That's how it should work.
Et souvent, on apprend de ses blessures. C'est à cause des blessures que tu apprends à t'entraîner intelligemment, à trouver ce qui marche sur toi, ce qui ne marche pas, à garder ce qui est bon, à jeter ce qui n'est pas bon. Voilà, donc c'est pour ça que c'est très important de s'entraîner avec son cerveau. Pas d'être juste un bourrin, soulever comme les autres, faire comme les autres. Non, ton corps, il t'appartient, il est unique. À toi de trouver ce qui te convient, ce qui marche sur toi.
Focus. This is the power squat. Push. Handle down. Okay. Either up there or there. So focus. It's on right there. How was the knee?
0.
0!
Yeah, so I'm trying to focus.
Woo!
Because when you get down, you have your hips going down,
Correct,
they take
below.
all the pressure
Yes,
from the knee.
It's that angle.
Yeah.
This doesn't go like a hack squat. It
No,
goes
no.
down
Hack squat
and you
go
stay.
forward.
Exactly. Good.
And more you go deep, it's funny, you don't feel your glute, you feel more
Of the quads,
contraction
right?
of the quad, yeah.
Nice job. Good. Focus. Good. Beautiful. Nice. Couple more. Couple more. Woo! Beautiful contraction. Breathe. One more. Come on. One more move. One more, baby. Yes. And we'll pull this in. Come down. So 0.
0.
You just did a squat.
Yes.
You bend it. That's. I mean, you just did a squat.
Right, tell us about that.
Je suis content. Non, c'est super, j'ai aucune douleur. Comme je vous expliquais la différence avec les hack squats, quand on descend, les genoux se retrouvent en avant, donc tout le poids, il est localisé sur les genoux. Celui-là, plus tu descends, plus le bassin, il bascule en arrière, il te tire en arrière. Et tu ne sens pas, étrangement, tu ne sens pas le fessier. Tout est localisé sur les quads, sur la partie externe. Donc génial. If you can record the whole machine, James.
Yep. One if you need to. Yep. Weird.
Weird, yes.
No, it's air. Good. Now press them together. Good. Good. Does it hurt?
It's fine. No, it's fine. The negative, it's like it's multiple steps.
Correct.
You feel, you don't feel. You feel, you don't feel.
It's weird. Good. Play with your weights.
Like the push.
Yep.
Both sides?
No, just one. It's all together.
Okay.
Good. Good. Just yep, short. Just go and go back. And go. Right there. And go. Yep. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Is it hurting the knee?
No.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. If it's not hurting, keep going. Keep putting blood in there. Good. Yes, it's fucking on. Good. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. 10. Breathe. 9, 8, 7. Oh yeah. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Get out. You should burn. More like a bird.
Do it this way, yes. Just hit
Yes.
the steps and go, yeah.
Because there's no break.
No,
There's
it's really
yes,
short.
It's short.
The
It's
joint
under
is
tension.
almost not engaged.
No, but the
Not so
muscle is
much.
engaged.
Yeah, but the muscle
Correct.
is engaged.
So we're gonna combine these two one more time. Break. So,
Superbe. On va essayer encore une deuxième fois. L'autre, c'est une machine hydraulique. Donc ça marche beaucoup sur des petites répétitions, comme je disais, tout en augmentant la résistance. Donc une combinaison entre les deux, ça marche bien.
all right, one more time. Let's go. Nice, solid, good. You're pushing up. Back is all the way against the machine. This one down. First one.
Okay.
Down. All right. Machine is engaged. Back is straight. Abs are tight. Good. Stretch and drive. Good. Keep that tension. There you go. When you come to the top, keep that tension. Right there. You got the tension. There you go. Look at that. Everything is working. Nothing hurting? Good. Full on squat. Look at that angle. You got a squat right there. Good. Right there is your squat. Good. Breathe. Oxygen. Look at it. You can see all the fibers from this angle. Good. One more. One more. Drive. Breathe. Negative. 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 Slow, 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 slow. Push, 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 push. Hold. Come on down. Good. Beautiful. All right. Here we go. Good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, keep back. 8, 10, 11, 12, 13. Come on, 14, 15, 16, 17. 18, 19, 20, breathe, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 28, 29, 30, 10 more, 31, 32. See, I can adjust you while you go. I can adjust you while you go. Good, look at it, I can mess with you. I can go light, I can go heavy, and you don't stop. I can mess with you. 3, 2, burn and break. Good.
Just mess with my brother, I love that.
Okay, got it on your shoulder?
Yeah.
Okay, now hold this. Pull yourself in a little bit, as much as you want. Just don't push. Just pull yourself in. Pull yourself in. Hey,
okay.
good. Okay, now good?
Yeah, I got it.
Good.
Yeah.
All right, that's good. We go from here. Good.
Perfect.
Is it hurting?
No.
Good. Good.
Try just with the foot a little bit down.
Yep.
Good.
Good, right?
Yeah.
So we can use both. One with plane loaded, one this. So we have 12 options.
And for like just the plate, it's really smooth.
Very
No,
perfect.
really I like it.
Good, right?
Yes.
Good isolation.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Back is fine.
Perfect.
Perfect. Good.
My lower back is flat.
Perfect. 2 more. And slowly come off. All right, so.
That's how simple you are just from moving stuff.
Yeah.
Watch this. Regardez ça, c'est une machine à squat extraordinaire. Ça bouge dans tous les sens. Regardez. Voilà, elle peut aller devant, derrière, c'est exactement, c'est comme s'il avait une barre libre, mais encore mieux. Voilà, elle peut se tenir sur les côtés. Elle peut faire des rangées, se défendre.
Right.
So here.
Right, good, more tight.
The foot forward. Here.
That's good, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now, stand up. Come a little more back to the feet. Okay. Butt out, hold on to the handles. Is that hurting?
No.
Sure. Ah, you're doing a fucking squat. You're doing a fucking squat. Shh. Nice. Nice.
Because with this one, when I squat, I can move my head slightly forward.
With the movement,
Yes,
yes.
and keep my knee backward, not on the front of my
This is
foot.
too much pressure on the knee, yes.
Yeah.
Walk it all forward. Come down. Nice. One more time.
Super. Donc comme je lui dis, ça c'est une machine que je pourrais faire par exemple à la fin de mon entraînement, quand je serai déjà fatigué, les muscles bien engagés. Ça m'oblige à ne pas mettre beaucoup de charge et sentir le travail. Donc je pense que ça va le faire, et comme vous savez, à chaque fois qu'on change les angles, on fait quelque chose de différent, c'est toujours extraordinaire. Il faut voir avec le temps. Mais c'est une machine que je ne connaissais pas. C'est extraordinaire. Can you give a look, James, please?
Okay, then we got the 10 up there. We got 230 each side. Good. Right. The Med-X leg press. Look at that tension. Look at it. I see it. Come on, baby. Breathe. Control it. Be in charge of the movement. Why? Because it's your body. Why? Because you're in charge of it, not me. Breathe. Nice job. Nice job. Good. Woo. Last 1 to 2. That's it. There you go. Nice.
That's for you, James.
Good. 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 Be one with it. There you go. Close to the feet, more quad. Yes. Good job. Look at that angle. We're squatting in a real plated movement. Good. Focus. Good. That's it, baby. That's it. Breathe. Good. We'll be in charge of the movement.
I need to stop here.
That's fine.
Yeah.
That's fine, totally. Which means I can even go higher, then you can even go lower than that. Breathe. Good. Nice job. Good. Control. Come on, just a burnout set. Good. Focus. Nice job. Good, yep, get the angle.
C'est comme des travaux publics. J'en ai une à la maison, c'est super. Ben voilà, entraînement terminé. Franchement, je suis excité car j'ai eu des bonnes sensations à l'entraînement. Aujourd'hui, comme vous l'avez vu remarquer, c'était juste un test. Essayer de trouver les angles et les machines qui stimulent mes quadriceps sans mettre trop de tension ou de poids sur les genoux. On a trouvé, je crois, 5 ou 6 différentes machines et angles. Et ça, franchement, ça me rend très positif de savoir que je peux stimuler le muscle. C'est pour ça d'ailleurs que j'ai fait appel à lui, à ses machines et à sa salle pour me sortir du contexte, de mon zone de confort. je donnerai le meilleur de moi-même, comme ça il n'y aura pas de regrets, car je sais que je ne suis pas fini. Je sais que j'en veux encore et je sens que j'ai encore les capacités de faire quelque chose. Donc voilà, vendredi prochain, retour. Je pense qu'il aura déjà mis un plan, un programme avec les différentes machines qu'on a trouvées, les angles. Et j'ai hâte de semaine en semaine de voir à quel point on va monter crescendo, quoi. Donc voilà, vous savez, il n'y a pas d'ego, il n'y a pas de je suis meilleur que lui ou quoi que ce soit. Voilà, je mets mon savoir de côté et j'y vais au charbon. Je pense que ça, il apprécie ça aussi. C'était vraiment cool. Voilà, merci de regarder ça. Et pareil, n'hésitez pas à partager les commentaires, ce que vous en pensez. Et tout pour qu'on avance tous ensemble.